So guys, whether you're in the veggie garden or in the ornamental garden, here are some of my tips to make you a better gardener and your plants happy as well. Number one is removing weeds and spent herbs, veg or plant. Now guys, everything has a sell-by date and most of them are perennials. So please take them out. If you leave them there, they tend to encourage more diseases. And weeding, try and keep on top of it. I'm not saying every day, but when you walk past, you see it, take them out. Whatever you do, don't let them flower. Second tip, very important, is pruning and tidying up. Guys, this is a perennial basil or sacred basil. You can see it's got very long and leggy, and a lot of the herbs do this because they're a true perennial. But if we look closely at the plant, it's actually already telling us, and it's starting to push through its new foliage. So quite an aggressive prune, but don't be afraid. Halfway down of whatever size the plant is going to be sufficient. Make sure you've got a good pair of secateurs, and all we're going to do is get in there and cut these off, all right? Any of these low branches that are inhibiting the growth of other herbs and veggies are going to also go, and all we're doing is bringing it back into line, you know? Feeding the soil, which in turn feeds the plants, is really important. So preferably, if you can, use an organic fertilizer, which you know has got no chance of burning the plants. Most importantly, what it's going to be doing is enhancing the soil and feeding the soil. Next up after feeding is mulching. Now, mulch, much more mulch. Guys, there's so many different things you can use for mulch, from a high quality compost down to straw, hay, or even the cuttings that you have just, and the spent herbs that you have just removed. Much like the basil that I pruned, bunch it together and cut it up into small, fine little bits, which you use as a mulch around the plants. Remember, basil, most of our herbs have beautiful oils and fragrance, and that in turn is actually going to chase away the haws and deter them. Finally, plant seasonally, guys, please. Whatever you see on the shelves is what you should be planting. Always remember to read the packets of your seed to see if you're doing it at the right time. But seasonality determines your success. And finally, watering. Guys, water early in the morning. If your veggies, herbs, or garden looks really thirsty when you get home from work, then give it another good soak. Use a good quality sprayer, one that has multi-uses, and water deep instead of little bits. So guys, follow these tips. Your plants will be happier and you'll be a better gardener, guaranteed.